Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to create a program using C++ programming language. The program that we will be creating is that it will ask the user to give a number, and then the program will print the given number by our user. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. We are already here in our div C++ IDE. So the first thing that we will do is to write the comment. For example, here, print underscore number .cpp. Next, this program will print the given number by the user. This is the purpose of this program. Next, I will write the author of this program, in this case me, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. Next, we will have the date, October 8, 2019 at 8:22 p.m. Tuesday. Website, http jakerpomperada.com. Now here we will declare the library, sharp include iostream using namespace std int main begin int val num. This is our variable, and then we will have here new line escape sequence \n. Title of a program, print number given by the user. This is the title of our program. Next, we will copy the new line here, and then next \t enter a number. We'll ask the user to give a number cn, and then we will call the variable val underscore num. Console out less than \n new line, you entered val num. We will display the result. Copy, paste, console out, double quotation \t, end of the program. Semicolon. After we are through, this is for the input, a variable declaration. This is for the input, and then output. Control S, new, select new folder, print number. This is the name of the folder. Double click, print underscore number.cpp. This is the file name, and then we have here the extension .cpp. Click the save button. Okay, the next step that we will do is to check for syntax error. Go to execute, compile, or press F9. Okay, we don't have any errors in the syntax, so we can run our program. Okay, it so happened the formatting, no, so I have to change, no, to improve. Control S, save. We compile and run to make it faster. Okay, let's say for example 14344. This is the given number. So we have here the title of our program, print number given by the user. Prompts the user enter a number, and then I gave 14344. Enter. You entered 14344. There is again some formatting issue, no, of this program, so I have to fix that problem, small problem actually. Save, compile and run. Okay, so 123, you entered 123, end of the program. Now again we will compile and run the program. 2019, so we have here run 2019, print number given by the user. This is the title. Enter a number, colon 2019. You enter 2019, period, end of program. So we have here the output. Okay, so if you ask me what is the purpose of this program, actually the main objective of this program is to teach you basic input output manipulation in C++. Take note, here we have already the display output, the command console out. This command belongs to this library file sharp include IOStream. Without this IOStream, we cannot display the title of our program or ask the user to give a number. For input, we are using this one, cin valnum, and then display the result. So this is very simple, but this is fundamentals of programming in C++. That is very important for every learners and beginner programmers that are new in C++ programming. I hope that you have learned something new in this video tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye for now.